Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial video I am going to show you how to reset your Gree AC remote control. It is very simple. Before we start, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further updates. And please, if you like my video, please share and comment. Okay, get started. First of all, uh, remove the batteries. And press this power on off button for 5 seconds. Okay, now install batteries again. Please don't skip this video, watch till the end. Okay, you can see here my remote control is reset. Now set your favorite function again. If you want to lock your remote control, press the both minus and plus buttons at same time. You can see here is lock symbol is appear on the screen, and press it again to unlock. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.